How to make a paracord bracelet, chain links. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. The inspiration for this project came from Paracord Planet, so make sure to check them out as well. And for this project we're gonna use the gold Paracord 550 and the black Paracord also 550. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet, I am wearing today the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, let's start. We're gonna take our black paracord and we're gonna pull it by the ends, so we'll find the center of it. Now when you done this, we're gonna simply create the double scow hitches on this end of a buckle. So let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and from here we're gonna take our bite and we're gonna pull it from the top through the buckle, like so, and then those two cords through the loop here. This way, as you can see, we created the basic cow's hitches, so I'm gonna pull a bit to tie it up, and from here we're gonna simply take the right side and we're gonna pull it again, just tie it up a bit from the back through the buckle, and then through the loop we created here. So as simple as that. So we are doing this to have the wider bracelet core, and on the top side we're gonna simply pull the black paracord from the top into the buckle, so from the top through and to the side, and with the left one or the left strand as well, from the top and through the buckle and to the side. Now we're gonna add our gold paracord. So once more, take the centerpiece of a paracord, pull it all the way down, and when you find the ends of your cord, pull it one more time to find the center. Now we're gonna take the ends and we're gonna pull it through the buckle from the top. And now when we are here, we're gonna simply take this end and we're gonna turn it to the back. So we created these two loops on the sides, and now we're gonna take the right side gold and we're gonna pass it through the loop we just created, and we're gonna do the same on the left. Take the end, pass it through, pull it and proceed. Now we're gonna simply wrap the left and the right side of our black paracord over the left and the right bracelet core strand. So take the right side black and wrap it once from the top around, and then twice through the middle and to the side. And with the left strand as well, from the top into the middle, around, and the second wrap from the top into the middle and to the side. Now from here we're gonna take the right side of our gold paracord and we're gonna place it on top of those crossed blacks, and then around and from the back through the middle. And we do the same with the left strand of a gold, so from the top into the middle, around, and from the back to the center. Now we're gonna tie it up. Now again, wrap it once, wrap it twice, and around to the side. Now through the middle and to the side. So from here we're gonna take our gold paracord and we're gonna pass it from the top around the black crossed cords and to the back, and we're gonna return it from the back through the middle between the gold and the black base of our bracelet. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side, so from the top into the middle, then around, and we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between black base cord and the gold paracord, like so. Now we're gonna again tie it up and proceed. So here we are, we reached the last knot of today's project. Now we're gonna simply insert the right strand into the middle and the left one as well, so from the top into the middle, and we're gonna cross it that way. Now we're gonna take the gold paracord and we're gonna insert between the working cords and the bracelet core or a buckle, like so. I'm gonna tie this a bit more. Okay, it's enough. and with the left one as well from the top. Now we're gonna insert once more the black into the middle, so we're gonna lock even more. So as you can see, we're finished with this project. I hope that you like it. If you do, leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!